The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Breezy Point, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour and quarter mile. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Breezy Point, Road River, South River, Dunkirk, Huntingtown, Rawlings, Quosco, Galesville, Friendship, Lower Marlboro, Harwood, West River, Tracy's Landing, Lothian, Sunderland, and Mount Harmony. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Anne Arundel, Maryland. The current time is 5:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash